Sebastião José de Carvalho e Melo, later known as the Marquis of Pombal, began as a diplomat in Lisbon's court and represented Portugal in Vienna and London. After the devastating 1755 Lisbon earthquake, he took command and led the city's reconstruction. His reforms modernized Portugal. He curbed clerical powers, expelled the Jesuits, and championed Enlightenment ideals. But when King Joseph I died, his influence ended. He was exiled by Queen Maria I, closing a controversial chapter in Portuguese history. Over 1,000 years ago, in the heart of Denmark, young Harald grew under the shadow of King Gorm. As ruler, he united Danish and Norwegian tribes with strength and vision. In a dramatic trial, the monk Popo carried hot iron unscathed, convincing Harald to embrace Christianity. He raised the gelling stone to honor this transformation, blending Viking and Christian traditions. Finally, he fortified his kingdom with the perfect geometry of Trelleborg fortresses, symbols of a new age. In May 1862, Union ironclads sailed up the James River to strike Richmond, but at Drury's Bluff, Fort Darling waited high, fortified, and ready. Confederate cannons rained fire as ships like the Galena and USS Monitor approached. The battle was fierce, smoke and shrapnel filling the air. Below deck, chaos. Above, resistance. In the end, the Union retreated, and Richmond was safe. For now.